For X square matrix, A is equal to Aij n cross n. The matrix Aij transpose of this n cross n is called adjoints of A, where Aij is cofactor of Aij. Remember this. So remember this here. Adjoints of a matrix is transpose of a matrix obtained by replacing each element of a given matrix by its cofactor. Like as we have matrix A is equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Adjoints of A is equal to transpose of a matrix obtained by replacing each entries of given matrix by its cofactor. Cofactor of A11 is equal to capital A11. Similarly, A12, here A13. For A21 cofactor A21 capital. Similarly for this A22, here A23, here A31, A32 and A33. Clear? So first replace each entries by its cofactor, then get a transpose of this. So we get here, we know that transpose of matrix is equal to replacing each row into corresponding column. That is a change each row into corresponding column. First row A11, A12, A13 become a first column. Second row A21, A22, A23 becomes second column. Similarly, third row A31, A32, A33 become a third column. Clear? And this is also 3 cross 3. And this matrix is called adjoints of A and denoted by ADJ A. Clear? Now remember this one important notes. This is a first theorem. For X square matrix A into adjoints of A is equal to adjoints of A into A is equal to determinant of A into I. Remember this. This is important. From this we get inverse of A. Here A into adjoints of A is equal to determinant of A into I. So A into adjoints of A is equal to determinant of A into I. Clear? Therefore A take this side, determinant of A take this side. We get A inverse into I, that is we get A inverse. Clear? A inverse is equal to determinant of A take this side. So 1 upon determinant of A into adjoints of A. Using this formula, we get inverse of given matrix. A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoints of A. Clear? Now, singular matrix and a non-singular matrix. For X square matrix A is equal to Aij if this is X square matrix, remember this, if determinant of A not equal to 0, then given matrix A is called non-singular matrix. Clear? And singular matrix, if for a given square matrix A, determinant of A is equal to 0, then given matrix is called a singular matrix. If a singular matrix then a determinant of A equal to 0. And we know that A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoints of A. Remember this. For singular matrix, determinant equal to 0. Here, inverse of A is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoints of A. Here, determinant of A equal to 0. So, 1 upon determinant of A does not define. So, in this case, inverse does not exist. That is, for singular matrix, inverse does not exist. For singular matrix, A inverse does not exist. Clear? If determinant of A not equal to 0, that means A is a non-singular matrix, then inverse exists. Okay? Now, second properties. Remember this in a theorem second form given. If A and B are non-singular matrix of same order, then A into B is also non-singular matrix of a same order. Clear? Next, theorem number third. Determinant of a product of a matrix is equal to product of their determinants. Theorem number third. Determinant of A into B is equal to determinant of A into determinant of B. Clear? Product of non-singular matrix is also non-singular of a same order, and the determinant of A into B is equal to determinant of A into determinant of B. Clear? Now, theorem number 4. If a square matrix A is invertible if and only if A is non-singular matrix. Clear? That means A inverse exists if and only if, that is double implies A is a non-singular matrix, that is determinant of A not equal to 0. Clear? So remember this condition. If a determinant of A not equal to 0, then A inverse exists. And if A inverse exists, then determinant of A not equal to 0. Now here we solve some question of exercise 4.5. Question number 1. Find the adjoints of each of the matrix in a first and second. For a matrix A, 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember this, how to find adjoints of given matrix. Adjoints of A is equal to, we know that, transpose of matrix obtained by replacing each entry by its cofactor. here cofactor of 1 is a 4 into 1 minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1, that is minus 1 raised to 2, it becomes positive. Now cofactor of 2 is equal to 3 into, here 2 lies in a first row, second column, so minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2, minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 is equal to minus 1 raised to 3 and is equal to minus. Clear? And for third cofactor is equal to 2 into second row and the first column, so minus 1 raised to 1 first column, that is 1, and the second row, that is a 2, minus 1 raised to 3, so is equal to minus. And for 4, here minor is a 1 into minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2 become 4. Clear? Now transpose of this is equal to 4 minus 3 minus 2 1. Clear? So in a second order determinants, adjoints of A, we get replacing, that means interchanging diagonal entries, principal diagonal entries, and sign of leading diagonal entries. Here 2, then minus 2, 3, then minus 3. Here 1, then we write a 4. Here 4, then we write a 1. That means in a principal diagonal entries we interchange and leading diagonal entries change the sign. So this become adjoints of A. Now think how to get adjoints of a given matrix of order 3. 1 minus 1 2, 2 3 5, minus 2 0 1. This is a 3 cross 3 square matrix. First we get cofactor of each entity. Here A11 is equal to first row first column, so minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 2 into product of these two minus product of these two, that is a 3 minus 5, that becomes a 3, so is equal to, here we get a 3. Clear? Similarly A12 is equal to minus 1 raised to 3 becomes minus into, remove this row and column, so product of these two 2 minus minus plus 5 to 10, so 10 plus 2 become 12, so minus 12. Clear na? Similarly A13 is equal to minus 1 raised to addition of this to 4, minus 1 raised to 4 is a positive, and minor of this 2 is a product of this to 0, minus minus plus 3 to 6. Clear? Similarly get A21 is equal to minus 1 raised to 3 becomes minus, and remove this row and column, so product of these two minus 1 into product of these two 0, so minus into minus become plus 1. Clear? Similarly A22 is equal to minus 1 raised to 4 is a positive, remove this row and column, product of these two 1 minus minus plus 2 to 4 become minus minus plus 4 plus 1, that is a 5. Clear this? Similarly A23 is equal to minus 1 raised to 5 become minus, and here remove this row and column, so product of these two 0, product of these two minus 2 minus 1 plus 2 into minus, that is a minus minus plus here. Clear? 2. Understand this? Similarly A31 is equal to minus 1 raised to 4 positive, and remove this row and column, so product of these two minus 5, product of these two, 3 to 6, minus 5 plus 6 minus 6 becomes minus 11. Clear? Minus 5 minus 6 minus 11. A3 2 is equal to minus 1 raised to 5 becomes negative, and here remove this row and column, so product of these two, 5 minus 2 to 4, so 5 minus 4 becomes 1. 5 minus 4 become 1. Clear? Similarly, a3 2 is equal to minus 1 raised to 5, here a3 3 last, so minus 1 raised to 6, that is plus, into minor of 1, remove this row and column, so product of these two, 3 minus minus plus 2, that is become 5. So adjoints of A is equal to transpose of a matrix replacing each entry by its cofactor. Clear? Here cofactor of first 3, similarly cofactor of this minus 12, here 6, here 1, 5, 2, minus 11, minus 1, and 5. So is equal to, and the transpose of this is a 3 minus 12, 6, 1, 5, 2, minus 11, minus 1, 5. So this becomes adjoints of A. Now verify adjoints of A into A is equal to A into adjoints of A is equal to determinant of A into I for third and for fourth. Here third is given 2, 3, minus 4, minus 6, denote given by matrix A. For this here, first we find the adjoints of A. So adjoints of A is equal to, we know that how to get adjoints of A for 2 cross 2 square matrix. Replace this principal diagonal entries minus 6, 2, and the sign of this leading diagonal entries minus 3, here become plus 4. Clear? Now find a matrix multiplication A into adjoints of A is equal to, A is equal to 2, 3, minus 4, minus 6 into here 6, minus 3, 4, 2. Clear? So is equal to, now find the matrix multiplication of these two. 2 into 6, 12. Here minus 2 into minus 6 become minus 12. 3 into 4 become plus 12. So here we get a 0. Similarly 2 into 3, 6 minus, and 3 into 2, 6 plus, so become 0. 4 into minus 4 minus 6 minus plus 24, and minus 6 into 4 plus minus 24 become 0. Here 4, 3, 12 plus, and minus 6 to 12 minus become 0. Take result number 1. Similarly, find the adjoints of A into A is equal to, adjoints of A is a minus 6, minus 3, 4, 2 into A. A is equal to, we have 2, 3, minus 4, minus 6. So is equal to, now get this product. Minus 6 into 2, minus 12, minus 3, minus 4, plus 12, so become 0. Here same, this become 0. Here also this become 0. Here this is a 0. Clear? Take result number 2. Now find determinant of A into I. Here we know that how to get determinant of A. First find the determinant of A. Here determinant of A is equal to 2, 3, minus 4, minus 6. So is equal to product of these two, minus 12, minus minus plus 12. So is equal to 0. Therefore, determinant of A into I is equal to 0 into I is a 2 cross 2 square matrix, identity matrix, and 1, 0, 0, 1. So is equal to become 0, 0, 0, 0. Clear? Take result number third. Therefore, by first, second, and third, we say that A into adjoints of A is equal to adjoints of A into A is equal to determinant of A into I. Clear this? Similarly, for 4, given a 3 cross 3 square matrix, 1, minus 1, 2, 3, 0, minus 2, 1, 0, 3. First find the adjoints of A and get this result A into adjoints of A, then adjoints of A into A, and the determinant of A into A. Now question number 5 given. Find inverse of each of the matrix given in a 5 to 11. 2, minus 2, 4, 3. Denote given matrix by A. We know that if a determinant of A not equal to 0, that is A is non-singular matrix, then A inverse exists. So first we check determinant of A equal to 0 or not. Here determinant of A is equal to 2, minus 2, 4, 3. So is equal to 3 to 6, minus minus plus 4 to 8 is equal to 14, not equal to 0. Therefore A inverse exists. Clear? Now find the adjoints of A. Adjoints of A is equal to, in a 2 cross 2 square matrix, we know that how to find adjoints of A. Interchange principal diagonal entries 3, 2. Change the sign of leading diagonal entries 2, a minus 4. So this is a adjoint of A. Clear? Now we know that A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoints of A. So is equal to 1 upon determinant of A is equal to 14. Adjoints of A is equal to 3, 2, minus 4, 2. Clear? 1 by 14 take inside or write the same. This becomes A inverse. Is it clear? Applying same, we are able to solve number 6. A is equal to minus 1, 5, minus 3, 2. First find adjoints of A. For this here, first check this determinant of A equal to 0 or not. If non-singular matrix, that is determinant of A not equal to 0, then find A inverse. Clear? Now question number 7. Find inverse of matrix A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 0, 2, 4 and 0, 0, 5. First get a determinant of A. 1, 2, 3, 0, 2, 4, 0, 0, 5. So is equal to 1 into product of these two minus product of these two. Minus 2 into product of these two minus product of these two. Plus 3 into product of these two minus product of these two. Clear? So is equal to, here we get a 10 not equal to 0, therefore A inverse exists. Clear this? Determinant of A not equal to 0, that means A is a non-singular matrix. Now find adjoints of A. So adjoints of A, directly how to get, remember this. Transpose of a matrix obtained by cofactor of replacing each entries. Here we know that for cofactor in a first, which type of sign? Minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1, minus 1 raised to 2, that is a plus. So alternately, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, and minus. First we apply this sign. Clear? Now cofactor of 1, for this here, minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1, that is a minus 1 raised to 2 is equal to 1 into minor of 1, 2 into 5 10, minus 0 into 4 0, that is a plus 10. Clear? Similarly, get a minor of 2. So minor of 2, remove this row and column, 0 here 0, so 0 into negative number, that is a 0. Similarly, minor of 3 is a 0 0, that is this becomes 0. Here 0, minor of this is equal to product of these two 10 minus product of these two 0, and apply minus sign, so this becomes a cofactor of 0. Similarly, find a cofactor of 2, remove this row and column, product of these two 5 minus product of these two. Similarly, for this here 4, product of these two minus product of these two, that is a 0. Here for 0, product of these two, 4 to 8 minus 3 to 6, 8 minus 6, that is a 2 into plus sign. Now for cofactor of 0, remove this row and column, product of these two 4 minus this 0, that is minus 4. More now for this 5, cofactor of this is equal to product of these two 2 minus 0, that is 2. Clear this? So first we take a sign here, minus 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 minus, then get a values of minor of each entries and write here. With a sign we get a cofactor directly. Clear? We know that cofactor is equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j into minor of aij. Now get a transpose of this, so is equal to, here 10 0 0, first row become first column, second row minus 10 5 0 becomes second column, third row 2 minus 4 2 become a third column. So this is a adjoints of A. Clear? Determinant A not equal to 0, adjoints of A, therefore A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoints of A is a 10 minus 10 2 0 5 minus 4 0 0 2. Clear? You know that formula, A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoints of A. Clear? Applying this. So here replace determinant of A by its proper value 1 upon 10. Now 1 upon 10 take inside. So here we get 1 minus 1, here 1 upon 5, 0, here 1 by 2, here minus 4 upon 10 becomes minus 2 upon 5, here 0, 0 and 1 by 5. this is the A inverse. Clear? So A inverse. Okay.